Okay, guys, so this video is about a little bit arm style and how to do it with more feeling, more correct approach. So, for example, if you open the arm, of course, it's from point A, you point B. You have to open from here to here. But the feel you put to it, that's the whole magic of it. So if, let's say, we teach that arm passing through your rib cage, elbow, then wrist, don't just mechanically open. You have to still put the feel and message behind, like you're sending something out, and then from here, like you with your body, take it inside you, and your hand reacts to it. So try it, never just, move those arms mechanically, but put the feel into it. So opening, and then here, like you're collecting something in, sending it from the body. Open, open. So there is a sense of message, and this arm become a very gesture. Like it brings something very precious to you. Out, in. Let's do the other arm the same. So technique is very simple. It's basically you have to do shoulder, elbow, then wrist, and of course you can use opposite side. But the how you do it, the feeling you put behind it. So here, always imagine like you are sending something out from your heart to the outside world, and then here like you're collecting something. So there is a sense of relaxation. Bring something important to you. Walk. Open, collect. Open, collect. So what we see mistakes the most people do, the arms become very programmed and very mechanical. We want to make them very alive, very much about the message, and maybe put a little bit more relaxation and sensitivity into fingerprints. So this arms has a little bit life, especially when your arm, you're opening here. Let's say this is the line, but even you open it here, don't do it mechanically. Open, engage the whole body, the whole stretch to it, and then release it and put a little bit feel. Boom. The arm, the way it touches your neck, sliding your body. So you have to really feel all of that. Don't do any mechanical moves. Every movement should have a little bit purpose, a little bit of a message. So how can we apply that? For example, let's do more difficult. Let's do maybe cha-cha, our cha-cha piece. For example, when we turn here, Cuban breaks. Yes, yeah. So Cuban breaks and 2, 3, 4, 1. So let's do it again. So if you lift your arm here, you stretch, and then really it's about you are feeling comfortable with that arm touching you. So it's not just only from point A to point B. We always put this purpose, the feel behind that arm. 3, and look at her arm. You see this arm like opening her hip for your partner. 2, yeah, you just do your style, I just will correct it. Yes, cheek and cheek and cheek, cheek and cheek. Like here, for example, yeah, you lift. So it's not just my teacher told me to lift my skirt. You lift it because you wanna create the teasing. So this arm all of a sudden has a purpose, has a feeling, has a message. So let's go from beginning. 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3, cha cha 1, 1. So for example, these arms here, you're sending them back, boom, because they kind of like opening your chest, opening your body. So they're not just like mechanically here moving, they really exposing, showing everything here. Right. Let's do, for example, arms in your rumba when you did walk, hip twist here. Yeah. See, you're reaching is like you have to put the feel about. Don't do it just mechanically here. And then release, walk, send it, right. When you send, it's not just, send. Developing of that send with the feel. Yeah, walk. And even the arms which we touch with the partner, maybe it's not just only message, but there is also, we put attention how we touch each other. So it's not just arms there. So there's a lot of exchange of information happens here and right here when the other arm here. Yeah, so then not only create beautiful frame, there is a lot of sensitivity how we interact each other. Of course, we see each other, but we actually feel each other through the touch. It's become extremely important. For example, this arm and forward, and 2, 3, forward.